everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 9th of July 2022. So the series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So who has been named the new brand ambassador for the FanCode, an online marketplace for the live content, sports, statistic and merchandise? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So recently the former Team India coach and cricketer Ravi Shastri has been appointed the new brand ambassador for the FanCode, a live content, sports, statistic and e-commerce marketplace. So basically the FanCode has exclusive right to India's tour of the West Indies and England cricket boards, that is the 100. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who has recently appointed the Financial Action Task Force president? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is T. Rajakumar. So recently T. Rajakumar of Singapore has been appointed as the president of the Financial Action Task Force, the anti-money laundering watchdog. Okay, so now move to the next question. How much will GST generate overall in June 2022 in terms of rupees? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So recently the total GST revenue collected in the month of June 2022 would be rupees 1,44,616 crore, for which central goods service tax would be rupees 25,306 crore and the state general goods and service tax is rupees 32,406 crore. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following organized recently released a report of Information Technology Rules 2021? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Internet and Mobile Association of India. So as per a recent report, new IT rules create entry barriers affecting the ease of doing business in India. So it stated that the originator traceability provision was technically infeasible as implementing it on end-to-end encrypted platform would break the encryption technology itself. So the timelines for the content takedown and information assistance rules were created burdens. So the study has recommended the removal of the personal liability mandate as it was legally infeasible and caused a compliance burden. Okay, so now move to the next question. How long does non-bank PS have to notify RBI of a management change as per the RBI circular? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 15 days. So the non-bank payment system operator will need RBI approval in case of takeover that may or may not result in a change of the management and sale of the transfer of the payment activity. So the non-bank PSO have to submit an application to the Department of Payment and Settlement System, Central Office and RBI along with the required document for a takeovers. On the other hand, the buyer will need to apply for authorization from the RBI. But if the acquiring entity is a bank, it will have to apply to 3 departments, that is Department of Payment and Settlement, Central Office and Reserve Bank of India for approval. So, as a time of 45 calendar days will be taken to response after the receipt of the complete detail from both entities. So basically the non-bank PSO would also need to inform the central bank of any change in the management or directors within 15 days. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following sector will be significantly impacted by the recent GST decision regarding a 5% tax? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is small traders. So recent decision of the GST Council about a 5% imposition of tax on pre-packaged and unbranded food item hit small business across the country as per the Confederation of All India Traders. Okay, so now next question. According to a recent report, how much of a growth in power generation did NTPC experience between Q1 and financial year 2023? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 21%. So the state-run NTPC and its group companies recorded 104.4 billion units generation in the first quarter from April to June 2022. So in June 2022, generation was 38.8 billion units, higher by 29.3% compared to the 26.9 billion units in June 2021. So basically, overall plant load factor of NTPC coal station increased to 80% in 2022 compared to the 69% previously. Apart from that, NTPC is also aiming 10% reduction in net energy intensity by 2032. Okay, so now move to the next question. The Foreign Contribution Regulation Act was recently amended by the Union Home Ministry, allowing relative to send how much funds without informing the government. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is rupees 10 lakh. So the Union Home Minister was amended the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Certain relaxation such as allowing relative to send more money to India freely. So the amended rule now allow relative to send 10 lakh rupees without informing the government. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following payment providers recently launched its tokenization solution, that is TokenVault, which will support card tokenization interoperability? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is cash-free payment. So the payment provide cash-free payment announced that its tokenization solution TokenVault will offer interoperability in card tokenization. So the TokenVault interoperability feature will also help business who use multiple payment gateway to process tokenized card transaction across any payment gateway and card network of their choice. Okay, so now next question. Who among the following recently signed a bancassurance agreement with the Paschim Banga Gramin Bank in Howrah? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is SBI Life. So recently the SBI Life signed bank assurance pact with Paschim Banga Gramin Bank. The partnership will see all the branches of Paschim Banga Gramin Bank across West Bengal offer SBI Life's range of protection, wealth creation, credit life, annuity and saving products. Okay.